For any other Texans like myself, heat is coming. But no fear, these warm weather knit top patterns will get you right all spring and summer long. Starting off strong with the shoulder shift tank by One of a Kate. I made it, I love it, and the video is linked below. This tank is all about that relaxed vibe and modern style. It's simple, it's breathable, and it uses True Blue yarn. It's seriously perfect for any occasion. Next up, we have the Daisy Summer Blouse by Knititude. This one's all about those delicate daisies and adding a touch of feminine charm to your outfit. Pair it with jeans or a skirt and you'll look fabulous. This make again uses the lovely True Blue yarn. There's definitely a theme here. Now let's talk about the Be Kind tank by Lady J Crochet. It's all about spreading positivity with the sweet Be Kind motif. Wear it anywhere you want to share the love. And you guessed it, this make also uses True Blue. Two contrasting colors of True Blue yarn is all you need to make this lovely top. Last but certainly not least, we have the Antibest lace tank by Two of Wands. This tank screams elegance with this beautiful lace pattern. Wear it with shorts or a skirt for a look that's sure to turn heads. Unlike the other tops, this make uses Lion Brand's 24/7 cotton yarn, another favorite of mine. Links to all these kits can be found in the description box below. All these kits are on sale now, so don't let this deal pass you by. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any pattern suggestions, and let me know what other suggestions you want to see.